Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have any of the following three vehicles, guys, Chrysler 200, Fiat 500 or Dodge Promaster City, guys, with a 2.4 Multiair engine, and you need to replace your downstream oxygen sensor, this is also known as oxygen sensor number 2 or WAMDA sensor 2, guys. This is the sensor that is after the catalytic converter, and what this sensor does, it detects if the catalytic converter is doing its job. We'll have the code that it can trigger in the description of the video below. Check it out. In addition, if you need to buy a new sensor, we'll have the link where you can purchase it from for a good price and fast shipping as well, guys. That's where we get our parts from. Now, as you can see, the engine is out of the car. You do not need to remove your engine. Why we got it out? So we can, guys, show you how to do almost everything on that engine. We'll have more than 100 videos, and we want to be able to show you every little bolt, where it's located, how to remove everything, how to replace almost everything. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We do all that to save you guys money. Take advantage of the situation. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Now, this is, guys, the engine when you open the hood of your vehicle, okay, and you face the engine. That's what's going to look like. Okay, this one will be, guys, your engine right here. You can see 2.4 Multi-Air engine. And if you come down, guys, okay, before we start, you guys need to replace your oxygen sensor only on cold engine. Make sure you didn't drive it for a few hours, maybe overnight even. That way, guys, you will not burn yourself. Oxygen sensor is attached to the catalytic converter exhaust, guys, and it will be super hot. If you try to do it on a hot engine, you can severely burn yourself, guys, and you can even lose fingers. That's how hot those things get. And now, coming down, guys, this is your exhaust manifold right here. And facing this way, okay, the first sensor is known as upstream oxygen sensor or sensor 1. This sensor now, guys, tells the engine how much air, how much fuel to adjust and all that stuff. The second sensor is on the right side, okay, right here. And this is the one, guys, okay, that actually is responsible for the mixture, for the catalytic converter, excuse me. That one tells, okay, the computer if the catalytic converter is performing correct. So how you guys remove and replace those things? Right here you can see you have the wire. Okay, the white wire is for the downstream oxygen sensor. Press down here. Okay, pull it out, guys, just like that. After that, okay, let me show you what else we'll need to use. There is a special socket for removing oxygen sensors, and it's pretty handy using that socket. Otherwise, guys, you can damage the sensor, and at that point you won't be able to remove it, and it will be a big mess. You might need to buy a new exhaust manifold. So that socket, you can find the link in the description of the video below, guys. Okay, what you do, you get through the wires. Okay, check out how you go through the wires. That's amazing. You go on the side of it, okay, and you just remove it, guys. Might be really tight. It really depends when was last time it was removed. Those things will get super tight sometimes. This one wasn't so bad. Go ahead, unscrew it. Okay, guys, this is the sensor right here, you can see. So that's how you guys remove it. Practically not too bad, right? If you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. In addition, guys, okay, installation practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.